The analysis of your website traffic. Analyzing your website traffic is essential for your online business, but only if you understand how to interpret the data. You can use Google Analytics to analyze your website traffic. In your search engine, search for Google Analytics and open your free account there. To open your account, however, you will need to have a Google email, Gmail, so you need to do this first. If you do not have one, once you have your account up and running in Google Analytics, you will be able to track your website traffic. The more visitors to your website, the more accurate your interpretation will become, and the more precise your analysis will be of the overall trends in visitor behavior. Point 1 term used when analyzing your traffic is the number of hits your website receives. Hits simply means the number of information requests received by the server. However, the number of hits can be very misleading. A hit can simply equate to the number of graphics on a certain page, and if that page has 10 graphic images on it, the server will record this as 10 hits. You can see that using the number of hits alone is not very useful in analyzing your website traffic. Point 1 way to figure out how good or bad your site is, in the eyes of your visitors, is to view the time spent by your visitors on your website. If the time spent is relatively short, this indicates an underlying problem which needs to be amended. The lack of time spent by your visitors on your website could be for a number of reasons. It might mean that the keywords you use to direct your visitors to your site are misleading, or that your graphics are confusing or intimidating. By changing some aspects of your website and then comparing the time spent by your visitors, after you have made the changes, you will be able to make certain assumptions. This same process of comparing traffic for different pages of your site will also give you a good indication of what is a keeper and what needs changing. You could improve the links to a certain page that is not receiving as many visitors, or improve the look of the page in general, by making it easier for visitors to access the necessary information on that page. If, on the other hand, you notice visitors are spending their majority of time on certain pages, it is a good idea to move some of your sales copy and marketing focus to that particular page. When using Google Analytics, make sure you go through this program thoroughly, since there are many features that will give you astonishing insights on your web traffic. There are 5 main categories that break down into subcategories, which you can view various statistics of your traffic. These categories are audience, advertising, traffic sources, content, and conversions. Once you start receiving visitors to your site, you can experiment with the results from all of these features offered, giving you an exact picture of what is working for you and what is not. The most important part of Google Analytics, that I have personally found of great value, is in the overview, under the Traffic Resources category. This shows you the number of visits and percentage of your search traffic, referral traffic, and your direct traffic. Your search traffic comes from the search engines such as Google. Your referral traffic is traffic that has come from another site, i.e. Ezine articles, if you write articles and publish them to Ezine articles. And your direct traffic are visitors who have typed in your URL address directly in their web browser. The more direct traffic you receive means that you are increasing your level of brand recognition, which of course is always a great thing. Now that you have masterminded the techniques of analyzing web traffic, the next step is to keep that traffic flowing to your website. Remember that this is a business, and you should treat it as a business by always being in control and proactive.